Are you a singer or speaker looking for some tips and tools to improve your voice? Or maybe you're a voice coach or an SLP looking to connect with some fellow voice enthusiasts? Well, I hope you'll join me at the North American Estill Voice Summit this coming June in New York City. It's going to be so much fun. I'm so looking forward to workshops and master classes in musical theater and gospel and choral music. I'm looking forward to seeing old friends and making some new ones. And really mostly just looking forward to growing and learning from some of the leaders in the field. You know, truly, Estill Voice training has been so helpful to me. It's really revolutionized the way I think about the voice. It's really transformed my practice, and I think you'll find it super helpful too. So I hope to see you there. Until then.